Hey, welcome back to Math with Aisha. Today, I have a simple problem I want you to solve for me. A baker has one loaf of bread, but four customers arrived. How should he handle the situation? Cut the loaf into four pieces? Okay, if that is your idea, how should he share the loaf? Equally or not? This simple problem leads us to one of the most important ideas in mathematics, fraction. Now, many students answer fraction questions. But if I ask, what is the actual meaning of 3 over 4? They struggle.
So why do fraction exist?
You can easily quantify whole things in the world like 10 pineapples, 5 apples, 3 bottles of water, and 4 loaves of bread. But what if I eat a part of a loaf of bread? How do I quantify the exact part eaten and the exact part left? What if I take part of a bottle of water? How do I quantify how much water I have cleaned? This raises the question, how do we describe a part that is not a whole? How? And this tells us something that whole number is not always enough. So, what is fraction? The mistake you will make is trying to define fraction with big sentences. Fraction simply means part. It's exactly synonymous to parts. So, wherever you hear fraction of, it can be replaced with part of. Example, we have fraction of a cake, which can be replaced with part of a cake. Fraction of a class, which can be replaced with part of a class. Fraction of money can be replaced with part of money. So, let us carefully examine this bread. I add a part and left a part. Can somebody tell me exactly how much part of the bread is eaten and how much part of the bread is left? Some people can say I have part of the bread, which means I add fraction of the bread, or what I add is exactly half of the bread. No, it's not exactly half of the bread. So, how much part of the bread is eaten and how much part is left? Now, let us check the statement of the bread. It was once a whole bread, and then it was divided into 3 equal pieces. And I ate 2 pieces of the bread and remained 1 piece. So this means that I ate 2 thirds of the bread, 2 thirds of the bread, or I ate 2 over 3 of the bread. This leads us to the main explanation that in fraction, the denominator always means the number of equal pieces the bread is divided into, and the numerator is the number of pieces taken away or considered. So in this case, because I divided the bread into 3 equal pieces, that is why the denominator is 3. And I took 2 pieces. That is why the numerator is 2. Now, now I want to ask you a question. Since I shared the bread into 3 pieces and I have 2 pieces, and I explained that the part of the bread eaten is 2 over 3. That means The fraction of the bread eaten is 2 over 3. No, remember I told you fraction is synonymous to part. So I can say the part of the bread eaten is 2 over 3. So what fraction of the bread is left? If you're asked what fraction of the bread is left, the bread was initially divided into 3 pieces and you took 2 pieces. What fraction of the bread is left? You're tempted to say 1. No, the answer is not 1. 1 means the whole bread is left. But you are supposed to say 1 over 3. Because what I said, I had 2 over 3 of the bread because I had 2 pieces. So 1 piece remaining should be 1 over 3. Signaling to anyone seeing the figure that 1 over 3 means this has been divided into 3 pieces and this is just one part of a 3 equal pieces divided into. Let's talk about nomenclature of fractions. When you divide something into 2 equal pieces, one piece is called a half, 1/2. And when you divide something into 3 equal pieces, one piece is called a third. A third, as if naming position, as if counting in position. And when you divide something into 4 equal pieces, one piece is called a fourth. When you divide something into 7 equal pieces, one piece is called a seventh. Similarly, when you divide something into 10 equal pieces, can you tell me the answer? One piece is called a tenth. A tenth. So, let's imagine you divide something into 7 equal pieces. One piece is called 1/7. One piece is called 1/7. Now, let's imagine you take 3 pieces of that thing. 3 pieces. That means you've taken 3/7. 3/7. And how will you represent that? That is 3 over 7. So whenever you see 3 over 7, it means 3/7. That means the whole was initially divided into 7 equal pieces. And you took 3 pieces. And if I may ask you, if I take 3/7 of something, what fraction is left? Remember, I divided into 3 pieces. I divided into 7 pieces. And I took 7 pieces. The part left is what? 4/7. 4/7 is left. So, summarizing what we have, 2/5 means 2/5, which is 2 over 5, means you have divided the whole into 5 equal parts and you took 2 pieces. 3 over 5 means you have divided something equally into 5 pieces and you've taken 3 pieces out of the 5 pieces. And 3 over 4 means you've divided something equally into 4 pieces and you've taken 3 pieces out of it. And 4 over 5 means initially divided something into 5 equal pieces and you've taken 4 pieces out of the 5 pieces. 5 over 8 means you've divided something into 8 equal pieces and you've taken 5 out of the 8 equal pieces.
Now, if I take
2 over 5 of something, what fraction is left? 3 over 5 is left. Because I took 2 pieces out of 5 pieces, so it remains 3 pieces out of 5 pieces. That's 3 over 5. If I've taken 3 over 4 of something, what part is left? Tell me. 1 over 4. That means I've taken 3 pieces and 1 piece is left. If I've taken 5 over 8 of something, what part is left? What part is left? What fraction is left? So this leads us to our simple quiz to end the first episode in fraction. 3 over 5 of something is taken, what fraction is left? Count down. What is your answer? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2 over 5. If you get it, you're doing really great. If I take 5 over 8 of something, what fraction is left? The answer is 3 over 8. And if you get that, you are a super brilliant person. If I take 1 over 6 of something, what fraction is left? Now this might be a little bit tricky because 1 over 6, that means 1/6. And the answer is 5 over 6.
What is 9 over 100 called? It is called 9 hundredths. What is 5 over 11 called? It is called 5 elevenths. What is 1 over 496 called? It is called 1 496.
So, watch out for the next episode in fraction. Other episodes are going to be at least as interesting as this. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share.